I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh, an Associate Professor of the Department of Information Technology of Haldia Institute of Technology. I am delighted to have you here. Today, our discussion is method overriding in Java. You know polymorphism. Poly means many. Morph means forms. Many forms. Polymorphism means a set of actions performing different operations share the same name. Method overriding is a runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Method overriding is a feature of runtime polymorphism in Java, where a subclass provides its own implementation that is already defined in its superclass. The overriding method must have the same method name, same parameters, and compatible or same return type. Covariant return type. Compatible means a method defined in a superclass is inherited by its subclass and is used by the objects created by its subclass. Method inheritance enables us to define and use methods repeatedly in subclasses without having to define the method again in superclass. For method overriding, inheritance is required. Rules for method overriding. The method name must be same. Same method you have to use in the superclass as well as in the subclass. The parameter list must be identical. The number of parameters, the order of parameters, and the data types of the parameters. The return type must be same or compatible or covariant. The overriding method cannot have a more restrictive access specifier. Private is a more restrictive access specifier, you know. Only inherited methods can be overwritten. Final, static, and private methods cannot be overridden. Constructors is also a special method, cannot be overridden. The @ override annotation is optional. You can use, but it is sometimes recommended. @ override helps the compiler to detect mistakes. Program on method overriding. Class animal. Animal is the superclass here. Then void sound. Superclass method. System.out.println. Animal makes a sound. Then we will end the method, and as well as we will end the class. Class dog extends animal. Dog is the subclass here. Extends keyword is used for inheritance. The properties of superclass name are extended to subclass name. The extend keyword signifies. @ override. Override keyword helps the compiler detect the mistakes. Void sound, same method we are using in the subclass also. System.out.println dog barks. Public class demo, that is the main class. We have finished the method as well as the subclass. Public class demo, public static void main, string arguments. Animal A equal to new dog. Animal A, object of animal class, equal to new dog. A dot sound. We are calling the sound method. So the output will be dog barks. This is a program on method overriding. Advantage of method overriding achieves runtime polymorphism. Method overriding is a runtime or dynamic polymorphism. It knows the way of execution during runtime. Allows subclasses to provide specialized behavior. Improves code flexibility and reusability. Inheritance improves reusability. For method overriding, inheritance is required. It supports dynamic method dispense. I will discuss it later. Enables extensibility in object-oriented programming. So what are the differences between method overriding and method overloading? Method overloading, you know, compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. Method overriding, you know, is a runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Method overloading means multiple methods with the same name but different parameters in the same class. Method overriding, a subclass provides a new implementation of a method that is already defined in the parent class or superclass. For method overloading, no inheritance is required. For method overriding, inheritance required. Method overloading, parameters must be different, number, type or order. In method overriding, parameters must be the same or covariant method. Parameters must be the same as the parent method. And method overloading, return type can be different, but not only one, it does not depend only on return type alone. You know. And in method overriding, return type must be same or a covariant, compatible return type, that is covariant. Method overloading improves code readability by using the same method for similar tasks. And method overriding allows a child class to customize or replace the parent class behavior. Today I am ending here. I will come back soon with updated videos. If you like my content, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Desire to learn. I will be grateful genuinely for your love and support. Thank you so much for watching this full video. Please stay tuned.